good morning, Mr. McGrath. Sorry to pull you from your lesson today.
Will, haven't you got like a C-Tech workshop to do? What's this all about?
Look, that's not important right now. I want you to take a look at this. This was found on the 15th.
Well, mate, I really don't know anything about this.
So you've got no idea at all what this is?
No! Why don't you go and speak to someone else? In fact, Rob this morning completely blanked me when I said hello. Go and bother him.
Oh, hey, Will. Oh, is everything okay?
Something happened this morning, Rob. I was just wondering if you could shed some light on it for me, please.
Would love to. No idea what you're talking about, though.
Take a look at this for me.
Oh my god, is that our kit bag?
Don't play stupid with me. You know a Canon lens when you see one.
I honestly don't know what you're talking about. Although, come to think about it, I did see Jane coming out the kit cupboard earlier. Looked a bit flustered.
Flustered? I wasn't flustered.
I've got sources telling me, Jane, that you were in our kit cupboard meddling with our kit.
I was just finding somewhere quiet to mark, away from the students and the staff.
Look, you're in a room with no windows, no desks, and no cameras. I don't buy it for a second.
No cameras. Will, it's the kit cupboard. Plus, I haven't got a key for the cage.
So, James, where's the keys?
Excuse, buddy. Why are we going to all this for
Look.
keys?
Look at this. Huh? Can you explain this to
That's
me?
a horrible photograph. Did you take that? Your ISO's terrible. Your aperture's all over the shop. Call yourself a technician.
Look, just explain it to me. Explain yourself.
Well, 3 of us have keys. Me, you, Steve.
I don't even work Tuesdays.
Well, I was in a meeting with Rich. We were meant to have Rachel there as well, but she didn't turn up. Bit bizarre, I thought.
You weren't at that meeting, were you, Rach?
No, I was busy.
Busy doing this?
No, Will. If you must know, I was actually writing up your appraisal. Though, I did tell Rich I wasn't going to be there anyway.
Look, mate, I've got to let James know, all right? Show me the damage. I heard it's pretty naughty.
What'd you think?
Hang about, when did you say this happened?
It was Tuesday morning.
Wasn't that when you were messing about doing some Mickey Mouse job with the chairs?
I was.
There's no chairs in the cage, William.
What are you getting at?
James with me, Stevie wasn't in, no one else has a key. I think you and me need to switch places, Sunshine.